You know that drawer that you're afraid to open because you're pretty sure it's not going to open? Yeah, that's the drawer we're tackling today. It is so fitting that there's a siren in the background. Now my drawer is nice and empty, and I'm not going to be using it for paper. I'm going to be using it for something else, but you'll be seeing that in the art studio tour. Okay guys, so I went to the dollar store and I got these 2 file organizers for $2.99 each. I love that they have holes because I'm going to use the holes to nail them to the wall, because I don't want to put any more paper in that drawer. Then I have this zipper pouch from my stash. I might be using that. And I also bought this for $1.99 at the dollar store, and it's just a larger zipper pouch, but it's see-through. It's, for me, having it see-through is just way more convenient. You need your papers and your scrapbooking materials to you need to be able to see them straight away. I had never seen this one before. It was $1.99, and it's a hard, like, envelope, briefcasey kind of organizer, and it has like that fabric on the side so you can add more stuff to it. Then I loved this. This is like a pocket binder, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pockets. So I really love that. I think that was my favorite. You ever bought mattress covers at the dollar store? Well, those mattress covers come in these little pouches, and I am going to utilize these pouches. I recycled 2, and so I'm going to use them. I'm going to put them to good use for my paper storage. And that's what I have so far. I like to see everything when I'm organizing, and so I ended up just putting everything on the bed and making some room for the organization. I started out with whatever I saw first, which was some clear plastics. And whatever I see first, that's what I start with, but I'm not gonna go digging for it. Then I'm gonna just go find another item. If you see a change of clothes, it's because I ended up doing a showing in real estate, and then I came back home and continued organizing. So I have different embellishments, and I'm going to be dividing them accordingly. I have embellishments that are not distressed, and then embellishments that are already distressed. I found my cream cardstock, and so I'm putting all of that together. It's good to try your best to put things in color coordination. I put that tissue there, the cream tissue with the cardstock, but that's not going to stay together. And I really don't have a lot of stuff when you really come to think about it. It's just all thrown and scattered. And that's because I've stopped purchasing scrapbook paper, cardstock, embellishments. In the next few months, I really want to use as much as I can from what I have. And if I can really downsize this batch, then I'll reward myself with buying myself new things. But I also love to challenge myself by using what I have. And so it's a lot more economical, but I think it also makes your brain exercise a little bit more. I have here some hard covers of books, and I have some finished projects and some unfinished projects. That's going to go in a completely separate file. These are unfinished projects that need to be either fixed or finished, and so I'm putting those in somewhere else. Even though it is expensive, it is easy to just like get the tool to work for you. But I think it's more of a challenge to make what you have work for you. And I think it takes a little more creativity to do that. And so I'm definitely going to go for that. And so it seems this is my method of doing things. See, I'm getting all the plastics out. And for me, it's just better to see things that way. So now I'm dividing my tissue regardless of color. I'm putting all the tissues together. Little by little, it starts to, when you really push through, it starts to come around. And it didn't really take me very long. And I absolutely love to see it start to get organized. You have to see what you have, and having everything stored away in these like drawers, unless the drawer is organized, paper really shouldn't be stored in a drawer like that. So that was my bad. First I had it in a bin, then I put it in a drawer, which made it worse. So it really just needs to be sorted out. And not all paper is created equal, so it really does need to be positioned in the most fluid way too for your workspace. So see how it's coming together. Now I'm not going to be doing like a very detailed one by one showing you what I have until the art studio tour, and that's when I'm going to really go to town on showing you more of my materials up close and where I'm storing them and organizing them up close. Today is more just like really getting to the nitty-gritty of things. I did get to throw out a few, but I decluttered off camera a couple of weeks ago. So unfortunately you didn't get to see the declutter phase. Now you're just seeing the stuff that I have left over. There was a little bit of garbage here and there, but majority of it I recently purchased a drawer organizer at Burlington Coat Factory that was super cute, and you guys are going to see that when I do the art studio tour. But right now I'm just going to use 3 of the drawers from that organizer, and the first drawer I'm using to store away the plastic, and I'm going to figure out the drawers. Now, yeah, I won't reveal it until the tour because I want to leave some stuff to the imagination. So everything is starting to come together, and in the art studio tour that comes up next is when I'll go into more depth about my supplies and what I use to organize them. But yeah, this is the final look. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Pieces.